Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. My name is Nick, and in today's video, I'm going to talk to you about shipping, how I ship on eBay and Mercari. I got a few questions about this subject on my Twitter DM, and so I wanted to just kind of clear some stuff up, show you how I do it so that you can do something similar and maybe like not be so freaked out about it. First off, before we get into this, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I would be greatly appreciative if you would click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell towards the end or any point in between. If you find that this information is valuable and helpful to you, click that like button. It helps us out a lot. And then if you have any questions, if you need any clarification on anything, leave a comment down below, leave a question. I will get back to you. Yeah, so let's jump right into this. I know when I started eBay, I was definitely freaked out about the shipping because it's sort of an unknown variable. You don't know what you're supposed to charge or how much it's going to be and like how much you're supposed to tell your buyer. It's a little bit stressful, and so I wanted to make this video to kind of clear up any confusion, clear up any stress that you might be having as a new seller, a new reseller on eBay, Mercari, or whatever platform you're using. The question on Twitter that I've gotten the most is, what do you do with your shipping? It seems like it's expensive. It's an unknown variable. How do I prepare for this? Well, we're answering that right now. There's two methods of shipping. Well, three methods really, whenever you're shipping on or through eBay. You have the UPS, but you have USPS. I don't touch UPS. I just stick with United States Postal Service. And the three methods that you can ship through on there are first class, priority, and media mail. Those kind of cover everything you need. There's also ground express or something, but it's the same price as priority whenever you buy your labels through PayPal or through eBay. So let's cover first class first. First class, you can ship in a manila envelope, in a brown cardboard box, in a poly mailer. It just has to be 1 pound or under. So 1 ounce through 16 ounces, and you're good, no problem. When you get above 1 pound is when you need to switch over to priority. It gets more expensive. However, they give you free priority boxes. You can order through the mail, or you can pick them up at your local post office, and you just pay a little bit extra for the shipping that sort of covers the box, I guess. So I order boxes every month to maybe every like 3 weeks to 4 weeks. I'll order a whole new batch of boxes. I've got all these boxes here. I've got some on the floor. I got this big box here of big boxes. Okay, it's a large box. You can do regular mailing boxes, which is what these are. They're actually like, you can modify these, you can trim them down, you can score them, you can make them different shapes, whatever. It's a mailing box, and these go by weight. Then there's the other option with priority that is flat rate. You may not modify the box in any way, shape, or form. It can't like bulge out, right? It's a flat rate. It's got to fit in there. It's got to be, I believe they want you to have it packed to where it's not going to move around. And it is a flat rate price. So those range all the way from like the small boxes at, I want to say $7 or $8. I don't use flat rate, so these numbers might be off a little bit. $7, $8. You move up the ladder, like $13, $17, $25. Correct me if I'm wrong. Any of you that do flat rate, leave a comment down below. Like, you can list, if you want to list out the prices for flat rate, it might help somebody, and it'll draw attention to your channel. So that is what I use mailing boxes, and it goes by the weight. And I created a spreadsheet for myself because I live on the like east coast. And I used to live on the west coast. Like, I live 30 minutes from the water right here on the east coast, and I used to live 30 minutes from the water on the west coast. So what I did is I created a spreadsheet shipping something from my house here in Virginia to my house in Southern California, my old house, and I compiled a whole spreadsheet list of what it would cost me to ship things out there. Everything from like 1 ounce first class through 16 ounces first class, and then 1 pound priority all the way through 20 pounds priority, and then 1 pound media mail all the way through 20 pounds media mail. Now, let's talk about media mail for just a second. Real quick, before we get into that, if this is providing value to you, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, leave a comment if you have something already brewing in your mind. Don't forget to hit the notification bell because you'll be notified whenever I make new videos to help you. I'm making these videos for you, so hit that notification bell so you can be updated. All right, media mail. What can you ship in media mail? First off, you cannot ship media mail in a priority box, only priority. So media mail has to go in things like these. Envelopes, like yellow envelopes. These are 6 for $1 at the dollar store. That's where I get them. 3M bubble mailers. These are perfect for DVDs or CDs. Those are 2 for $1 at the dollar store. You can get them cheaper in bulk on eBay. I don't use a lot of them, so I just swing by the dollar store. I should probably buy some from eBay. Larger manila envelopes for small books, or like medium-sized books. It's an 8.5 by 11 bubble envelope. Those are 2 for $1 at the dollar store. And then poly mailers. These are great for clothes, socks, shirts, like that's clothes. These I got $15 shipped on eBay for 200 of them. And these are perfect because they weigh next to nothing and they keep your prices low. And you can ship hardcover or softcover books in these. And so media mail charges $2.66 for me to ship across the country for £1 or less. And then it goes up 51 cents per pound for like every pound, all the way up to 20 pounds. And I think you can go beyond that, but I limit at 20. So that's media mail. That only covers books, textbooks, CDs, DVDs, stationery. I think that's it. You can find that information on the website of the USPS. It'll tell you what is included in that. They say no video games. So if you are an honest person and you are shipping video games, you're going to have to stick with first class. Sorry. They don't want you shipping video games media mail. I don't know why, but that's what they say. Those are the different methods for shipping. Now, like I said, I use priority. I get all of my boxes for free from USPS.com/something. It'll be the first link in the description below. They will ship you a package of boxes in a quantity of 10 or quantity of 25. Whenever you order a 10 count, you can only order one 10 count. But if you get the 25, then you can order a quantity of like 1 25 count or 2 25 counts or 3 25, whatever you want. So I order all of the mailing boxes, not the flat rate boxes. They come free. They ship for free. I don't know if there's sort of a cap or a limit on what they will ship you for free. If anyone knows that, leave it down in the comments below. That would be super helpful to people that are trying to get their shipping laid out. Like, I don't know if, 5 packages of 25 of this 1095 box, I don't know if they're going to charge extra shipping for that. I'm not sure. So if you do know the answer to that, leave it down below. That would be extremely helpful to the viewers. And then, so what I do is I order every 3 to 4 weeks. I get 2 or 3 packages of each size that I use. And these are great. The reason I stick with these is because I sell a lot of like really weird shaped items. And like, this doesn't really fit in here. This doesn't fit in here, right? It's too big. So you can modify these boxes, and I will make a video of that. That'll be my next video on how to modify these boxes in the proper way to where USPS will accept them and get your product safely to the client. Here is a major thing you need to pay attention to. That is, you cannot wrap these in brown paper and ship them first class or media mail. That is illegal. How do I know? Allegedly, I did that. Allegedly, not sure. I've got this brown roll of paper here, and allegedly I wrapped a priority box at one point, shipped it first class because it was like less than a pound, and the box was crushed, the paper was removed, and they actually charged the buyer $35 because of that mistake that I made. So that was a learning experience for me. Don't wrap your priority boxes and try to ship them as something other than that. All right, so for Mercari, they have their own kind of shipping thing where you choose the weight of whatever you're shipping. 0 to 1 pound, 1 to 3 pounds, 3 to 10 pounds, or 10 to 20 pounds. and Mercari just charges, I think it's like $4.25, $8, $15, $20, I don't know what it is. And they charge that to on top of your price that you are selling your product to the customer. They also, for people that are more active and sell a lot on there, they offer free shipping. So I just choose free shipping and I roll the price of the shipping up into the price of the product. It kind of helps promote the product, and you know, that free shipping tag on your listing catches the attention of the buyers. And so you have a slightly better chance of selling something when you offer free shipping. The same goes for eBay. You have to decide, do you want to charge extra for shipping or do you want to offer free shipping? Now, the way I determine what I'm gonna do is I look at the product that I'm selling in the sold filters on eBay. If every other sale of that item is offered free shipping, you kind of have to do that to remain relevant and competitive. Not every time, but most times you're gonna have to do that. The other time that I would offer free shipping is if that item that I'm selling has a sale factor of 10 times what I paid for it. So if I buy something for $3 and I can sell it for 30, that's 10 times my money, I'll offer free shipping. Because I'm still gonna walk away with 7 or 6 times what I paid for it, and that is a good sale for me. Remember that with the $100,000 challenge that I'm doing, the goal is to just sell something for 3 times what you paid for it. If you paid $3, sell it for 9 plus shipping. Move along from there using the spreadsheets that I provided to most of you. If you haven't got those spreadsheets, DM me on Twitter or Instagram, links below, and I will send you the spreadsheets for free to help you track, to help you monitor, to help you project where you should be going, what you're doing. So that's the $100,000 challenge. In a snapshot, it's a $100,000 net profit in 2018 from April 1st, which is when I started, to December 31st, simply by selling things for at least 3 times what you paid for it. After fees, you take 60%, reinvest to buy new stuff, and then you keep 40% for yourself because you have to eat and you got to pay bills. And hey, once again, like I said, if you haven't subscribed already, be sure to hit the subscribe button. And if you like the video, like I'm giving this information for free, hit that like button, okay? And then, yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video.
Hey guys, have I told you about my new favorite app, Audible? It's available for Android and iOS. Right now they've got a little deal going where you can get a 30-day free trial, and in that free trial, you'll get 2 free audiobooks of your choice. Coolest part is, at the end of it, if you decide not to stick with Audible, then you can cancel, but you get to keep your 2 free books. So if you want to sign up for this free 30-day trial and get 2 free audiobooks, all you got to do is click the link in the description or go to nicholaswoolsey.com/audible and sign up. Yeah, you should do it. It's pretty cool.